My name's Bob Ruyle, and I'm a resident of the city of Greeley. I was born and raised in Greeley and have basically lived in Greeley my entire life. I've served on the Greeley Water Board since 1975, which I think is coming on to 46 years. During my tour of the Greeley Water Board, one of the most overriding problems that the Water Board has addressed is the acquisition of new water supplies for our current use and for our future growth. During my term on the Water Board, I've served as chairman and have been involved in looking at water supplies from the Colorado River, the Big Thompson River, the Poudre River, and the Laramie River. We've acquired those supplies over the years, and more recently have studied the expansion of Seaman Reservoir, which is on the North Fork of the Poudre above Fort Collins. During our investigation of the expansion of Seaman Reservoir, we incurred a lot of environmental opposition, and the Corps of Engineers, which is one of the permitting agencies, urged us to find a viable alternative. While we've been searching for those alternatives, we came upon the possibility of acquiring 1,200,000 acre-feet of underground water storage located on what's been described as the Terry Ranch. This ranch is located in northwestern Colorado, Weld County, east of Highway 25 and south of the Wyoming state line. The water has been permitted by the water court, and the city of Greeley has undertaken through the Water Board extensive investigations as to the quality and the quantity of this water. We've hired nationally recognized consultants that have tested over 7,000 samples of water from test wells on the property, and we've studied the quality of the water for arsenic, manganese, uranium, its compatibility for erosion control in our water system, and its blending of existing water that we treat at our Bellevue water treatment plant. These reports from our consultants are made public and open for public inspection, and I believe that we've studied this issue to the point that we have the opportunity to acquire a quantity and quality of water which will be extremely beneficial to the long-term supply for the city of Greeley. One of the reasons that it's really a good supply is that it's underground, it's not subject to climate change, it's not subject to evaporation, and it's not subject to degradation for fires that have occurred in our watershed. So I am supporting it, and I urge the people in the city of Greeley to also feel comfortable in the amount of study that the Water Board and the city of Greeley has taken upon itself to assure a good and safe water supply from the Terry Ranch water.